Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Serena Lee. I share quick tips on how to pursue a healthy lifestyle and easy cooking recipes on plant-based diet. If you like my content, please consider to subscribe my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about a few types of oil you can use for cooking and salad dressing. They are relatively healthier and have known benefits in certain aspects to your health. But I think it's important to choose according to your health situation and of course your taste preference. Because come on, we don't want to always eat something that doesn't agree with our taste. The first one I want to talk about is one of the most common and popular oil, olive oil. Olive oil is low in saturated fat and high in antioxidant. It also helps with absorb some important vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and K. But it's generally good for our health. But olive oil has a relatively low smoke point, so it's better to use to cook with low to moderate heat or use as a salad dressing. The second oil I want to talk about is coconut oil. Coconut oil is high in antioxidant, but it's also high in saturated fat. So I would recommend to only use it once or twice a week, the most. The smoke point of coconut oil is 400 Fahrenheit degree, so you can use it to cook with higher heat compared to olive oil. The third oil is sesame oil. I put sesame oil on this list because it's too delicious to escape. Growing up adding sesame oil to my dishes, it's a very good flavor source. The sesame oil seems not a good source for nutrition, but there are some interesting studies showing that sesame oil can lower triglyceride and raise DHL, the good cholesterol. Another good thing to point out about sesame oil is that it's more heat stable than other seed oils. Semi-refined sesame oil has a high smoke point of 450 Fahrenheit degree. It is a very good flavor source, but I would say still consume it in a low amount. The fourth one is canola oil. I recently tested cooking with canola oil. Canola oil is one of the most popular vegetable oil, but it's different from other vegetable oils because usually if an oil bottle is labeled with vegetable oil, that means it is composed with different kinds of vegetable oils. So canola oil is high in beneficial fatty acids and it has a high smoke point of 400 Fahrenheit degree. So you can use it for almost any kinds of cook, saute, fry, deep frying, baking. It's a good go-to oil for nutrition and cooking. Another two types of seed oil that are good for salad dressing, they are hemp seed oil and flaxseed oil. They have a relatively lower smoke point of 330 Fahrenheit degree and 225 Fahrenheit degree. But they are a good source for nutrition. It's worth to try it with salad. So these are the 6 types of oil I want to talk about in this video. Please let me know in your comment what type of oil you're using and are you consider to switch to a different type. Thank you for sticking to the end with me. I hope you have a great weekend and I'll talk to you soon.